Hello Internet world, I'm very excited to bring you my speed test and review today of the Crucial X10 Pro portable solid state drive. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely bringing you this video so that you can make an informed buying decision. So first of all, let's take a look at the box. Here you can see it says Crucial X10 Pro. This happens to be the 2TB version. It's also available in a 1TB and 4TB version as well. It's part of their Pro series, and in the corner here it says that it is dust resistant, water resistant, and offers up password protection. And also the read and write speeds are up to 2100 megabytes per second on the read and up to 2000 megabytes per second on the write. It's also supported by a 5-year limited warranty. Now inside the box we get some paperwork. We also get a nice short portable USB to USB-C cable. This is used for connecting the drive to your computer. And then you get the drive itself, and this is tiny. It's so portable. A nice rugged casing, very nice slimline drive, USB-C connector on this end of course. And then if we turn the drive over, it's like a rubberized finish on the bottom. It shows the capacity and also the model number as well. So let's get this connected to my laptop and we'll see how it performs. So I now have the Crucial X10 Pro connected to my laptop. It's connected via the included USB-C cable. For the purposes of this speed test, I'm using Blackmagic Design's disk speed test software, and I've got the drive selected as the source or destination drive. We're going to click start, and we're going to let this speed test run a few times just to see if we can gauge an average speed. And we're seeing round about 921 megabytes per second on the write speed and up to 922 megabytes per second on the read speed. Now, whilst this is under or lower than the manufacturer's quoted speeds on the box, it's still very respectable. And you have to take into account that it's probably limitations of the USB-C bus on my laptop. And I do believe that if you're connecting this to maybe a different laptop, you may well get nearer to the quoted speeds. But that said, the 921, 922 megabytes per second on the read and write is very fast indeed. This is fast enough to edit up to 12K DCI 60 frames per second video direct from the solid state drive. So not only is this ideal for storing files on and photos, it's also superb for actually editing videos and editing photos direct from the drive. This has the added benefit of not taking up internal storage space on your laptop. The fact that you've got all of your projects on an external drive that you could in fact back up, so you've got some data redundancy there as well. We're just getting blazing fast speeds, all in this tiny little package. I'm really very impressed.